Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and pretty much what this is a Bladeless hanging neck fan that you can use around your neck. So this is definitely like a huge upgrade compared to like the previous version from like a lot of other brands out there. But today we're gonna be talking about these Bladeless neck fans that I have right here. So first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what is provided inside first. Alright, so we guys open the top part right here. It has a very nice kind of opening for easy access and everything. You guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So they do provide you guys a little thank you card and warranty card right here. And then right here we have the actual product itself. And in the middle we do have a little accessory box right there. So I believe that's a cable and everything else. So I'm actually take that out first to show you guys what is included. Alright, so inside this box right here, so they do provide you guys a cable which is USB to micro USB right here that you can use to recharge the actual product itself. And right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys a user manual right here. And then right here, we have the actual neck fan itself. So let's take it out. So this is what it looks like from this side right here. This is what the side looks like on this side. This is what it looks like on this side. And this is what it looks like on the other side right here. So if you can see right there, that is where to plug in the cable to recharge it. And then right here is the button to activate it. And here are the fans on both right here and right here as well. And then right here and right here, that is where the air will come out. They do have a very nice material right here to make it really comfortable when you put it around your neck. And this right here is the part where you can actually flex it. So if I go like this, that's how far I can go. If I go like this, that's how far I can go right there. So you guys don't want to pull it too much because this part can come off. But let me actually put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So you just want to go like this, and then put it based on your own comfort of how you guys want to position and everything. So you can definitely use this for going for jogging, running, or whatever. But I don't think I should use this when it's like raining because it's not fully waterproof. It's probably like sweat resistant, but not fully waterproof. And then on the side right here is the button to activate it. So if you guys press it one time, it turns on. So there's speed level 1, speed level 2, and speed level 3. But just to let you guys hear how loud it is, this is speed level 1. Speed level 2 and speed level 3. And then I can definitely feel the air throughout right here, which is pretty cool. And literally within 3 seconds after you guys turn it on, you guys can definitely feel the cool air blowing at your face or wherever you guys plan on using this product itself, like you guys can face in different directions or whatever. If you guys are curious about the specs that's inside the actual blade and the actual product itself, you guys can refer to this photo right here. And then if you guys are wondering how long the battery life lasts on the product itself, like I mentioned, the speed level 1, speed level 2, and speed level 3. So each different speed level has its own battery life capacity on how long it lasts. If you guys are wondering how long, you guys can refer to this list right here. And then in terms of the actual fan itself, it's supposed to be really quiet. They said it should be less than 31 dB, but let me actually test it out to see whether or not it's true. Alright, so I got my tester right here. Let's turn it on and see how loud it is. So this is speed level 1, speed level 2, speed level 3. So when this on speed level 1, you guys can see that's not under 31 dB like I mentioned, but I don't think that's an issue for myself. But if that is an issue for you guys, then something to consider. But let me actually charge this up to show you guys how to know when it's charging and how to charge it first. So we're gonna use the cable that they provide for us right here. I'm gonna plug into my power bank right here. Alright, let's plug it in. Alright. So there's like a blue blinking light right there, so that's how you guys know it's charging. And I believe once it's fully charged, that light should stop blinking or should change to a different color like green. But that is how you guys know when it's charging right there. But let me actually turn it on to see whether or not it actually works while we are charging the product itself. Alright, so we still have it plugged in right now, and you guys can still use it. Obviously, it's not the best idea or it's not super safe to use this while it's being charged. So I do recommend letting it fully charge first before using it. But you can see that it definitely does work while it's still being charged. And then one last thing that I do want to talk about this product itself is the fact that for this brand new design of the Bladeless fan for these, you guys don't have to worry about your hair being caught on the actual fan itself, like the old previous versions like these right here. Because of the way how they designed it, you can see this part is fully covered and the only thing open is this part right here. So definitely these brand new neck fans are a lot better than the previous version that I just showed you guys. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like neck fans in general are super worth it if you guys want to like cool down when it's like super hot or in the summertime or whatever. But like I mentioned earlier, these fans are definitely a lot better than the previous version where they have the opening on both sides, so it has better performance and is much more safer as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.